Bzzz, yeah! Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Today's video, I'm going to share with you a very powerful concept, and it is the sixth component of capital that I speak about in my book, The Fundamentals of Success, 6 components of capital to grow yourself and to grow your business, and that is of gratitude. And this concept is so powerful that it will make everything around you seem so great, seem so positive. And I begin this chapter by mentioning a quote from the Quran that says, if you are grateful to me, I shall most certainly give you more. And this speaks 1,000 words. And it's clear cut. When you're grateful, you will receive more. And then I go on further by explaining in the book that this is a very crucial component of personal capital, because if you want your business to keep on growing, and with it the growth of your wealth, you have to be grateful all the time. Being grateful means that you are accepting whatever you have now, and by accepting, you begin living in content, living a happier life. What you once thought was very little now becomes just enough. Your perception of what you have changes, and everything around you seems positively different. The best part is when you are grateful to the universe or to God or to whatever you believe in, you will be rewarded with so much more. Then I go about talking about this psychological study where it is shown that when you express your gratitude to someone, your happiness rating goes up. And so gratitude is the greatest contributing factor of happiness in your life. So just smile. Smile. Smiling is the key to success. Smile. Because when you smile, even if you're feeling down, you will feel good. So smile. And then I go about mentioning in the book that when you express your gratitude, you are releasing the negative energy inside of you, making you feel better. And when negative goes out, what comes back in is positive energy. You will be geared towards working smarter, component number 2. Your faith becomes stronger, component number 3. Your loved ones and even your friends will support what you're doing on greater levels, component number 4. And I mentioned over here that the people who have helped you along the way, they too deserve your appreciation. And believe me, that will go a very long way in the relationship that you form with your team, with the people that you work with, your partners and so forth. Now, being grateful for what you have is just one part of this very crucial component. You have heard that gratitude is so important, but what is that crucial thing about gratitude? The secret to truly utilizing the power of gratitude comes when you start being grateful for what you will be receiving in the future. I say again, the secret to truly utilizing the power of gratitude is to be grateful for what you will be receiving in the future. It is as though you are praying and asking for your wishes to be fulfilled. You would say like, I thank you for giving me the wealth that I will be receiving. Very, very powerful. And then you repeat this time and again in your mind over and over. And so then you will begin to open up yourself and attract more to you. And this will speed up your journey towards personal and business success. Then I explain these 5 steps. Right? These 5 steps of how you can go about being grateful and expressing your gratitude. And here is the best part. Now that you are aware and are grateful for who you are, what you can do and what you will be receiving, you will start to live in contentment. When your mind is relaxed, you can concentrate better. You can use more common sense, component number one, in your daily tasks. You feel motivated and are now better able to work harder and work smarter, component number two. This feeling of contentment is that you have everything and it is meant for you. That is called having divine faith. We make your faith even stronger, component number three. When you are in contentment, you express positive energy, and this will attract people and wealth towards you, giving you the blessings that you need, component number four. Once all these four are in place, the fifth one, money, start generating, because money is attracted to those who are positive. So be grateful for that, and your money will multiply. And I finally end off by saying that the more grateful you are, the more you will receive, and in it lies your happiness. So these are the 6 components of capital, and when you put it together, it looks like this. And then I move on to the last part of the book, which is titled The Beginning, because once you apply all these concepts into yourself, because you know what the Personal Business Mastery Program is about you. It's about focusing on yourself so that your business can grow. It is about building your foundation so that your business can move forward faster. I talk about your goals and your dreams and how you must take action now that you have read, learned, and understood what needs to be done. And therefore, now you will take the necessary action to produce the desired results. You will not move forward if you do not take action. For my previous workshops, taking action would now mean taking manageable, decisive action. Very powerful. And I mentioned how powerful visualization is in your journey to achieving your goals and the results that you wish to achieve. So I hope that this book has added value to your life and served you, and I hope these videos have served you as well. And if you like to review the last few videos, go to my channel, subscribe, and watch the videos as I give great value. And finally, I end off the book by saying that these components of personal capital are the fundamentals to your success, and once applied, will take you to distances farther than you can ever imagine. So if you have any questions, any comments, please do leave them below. I'll be more than glad to share with you my advice, share with you my experiences, and hopefully help you, because I am here to serve you. I'm here to help you achieve the life that you wish to achieve, and do the thing that you wish to do, because you deserve happiness. It is your business, it's your life, and it's your choice. And if you wish to get the book, please do click on the link below, and you will receive it directly to your doorstep. So this is Director Piwala. Strive, have faith, and live with content. Yeah! Thank you for watching this video.